Good one. Ah.
Bees. Look at that.
Oh, no way. No way.
Do it.
Okay. Here he goes.
Do it.
We'll film it. Oh yeah.
Oh, that wasn't as bad as we thought it was
No, it
gonna be.
wasn't.
That was really anticlimactic.
This thing sounds like. Oh look, it's a boat. Let's go float. Let's go float in the boat. Oh, okay, that was like.
Do it. That was
Do it.
a little gay, but
So, jump it.
go for it. No,
Oh,
he's going down that trail. That would have been sick if he went down that. Pull forward a little bit. Oh, already stuck.
already stuck. Whoa. Yeah.
Yo! Austin! Austin! berm so bad.
What?
I hate this berm so much.
You hate what?
I hate this berm so much.
Yeah, me too.
I went slower on that so I could hit this. Hey, shit.
By the way, he's saying he posted over at third gear. He has a bigger sprocket, so you gotta remember that. Okay, so I did it like third gear half throttle-ish, 75%.
You guys use half throttle to do that?
Yeah, but you have a bigger sprocket than I. So I did to start off I did like 75% just to be sure, and gassed it right off the top just a little bit.
Yeah.
Yo! Get the tire back! And it's not broke!
Dang. Oh my god, I'm so sweaty. Hey, I think it'll help a lot more when you get a new seat. I don't know. Just help with landing because that's gonna bring